set, go! This is where I fall down, so that's what happens. Oh, such an old man thing to say. That's between Mike.
I'll grab Duncan's seat, throw it outside. I've really screwed this up. Surprising? Chicken dinner over it. Sit down, That's the way we do it.
Sorry. Step back. The Zimmer frame is looking really good. Dunk, let's have a look at yours.
Why is that?
Oh, you're still doing it though?
I'm just finishing touches.
Doug, can you give me a few points to see what I've done, right?
So Rob, this is great to see.
Yeah.
Talk us through it. Hold on. Where's the other? Who are you racing? Is it are you racing against yourself?
Racing against me and the instructions, and IKEA, generally the brand.
IKEA.
It's IKEA, that's how I see it. It's a one-horse race right now. IKEA has been winning. I think I'm now
First past the post.
but basically, I got wrong in the stick. Originally told that it was more of a right, who can make it look like a Zimmer frame,
Okay.
Tell what it is yet?
and then I was told that it had to be a chair.
Oh, he's nearly there. He's just tightening those last couple of nuts, flexing the guns. Here he goes. If you're lucky, that bit of plastic will hold it together. Hey, Robbo, that's beautiful work.
There it is, guys. All right, then,